that's both tart and fruity, hibiscus tea is a great option when you are looking for something different to sip throughout the day. But it also has a number of health benefits. In fact, people in various parts of the world have been consuming hibiscus tea for its health benefits for thousands of years. Today's video will discuss 5 reasons to start drinking hibiscus tea. Before you watch this video, please take a moment to subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Here are some potential health benefits of hibiscus tea. Number 1. It's loaded with antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is a great source of antioxidants or substances that remove potentially damaging oxidizing agents. Antioxidants fight free radicals which prevent cellular damage. Number 2. It may boost your immune system. Hibiscus tea contains vitamin C and iron, which are known to support a strong and healthy immune system. Number 3. It may boost your liver health. Some research suggests that hibiscus extract may reduce liver damage and promote liver health, but further research is needed to determine whether tea has similar effects. Number 4. It's a great alternative to sugary beverages. Often containing 0 calories, many hibiscus teas are a healthier alternative to sugary drinks. This is great for people who are trying to lose weight or maintain their weight and want a little flavor in their fluids. Number 5. It's hydrating. Hibiscus tea and other types of unsweetened teas are great for people who are averse to plain water. Rather than researching for a sugary drink, hibiscus tea is an excellent alternative to help you meet the recommended daily fluid intake. If you like to have some fruity flavor in your beverage, adding hibiscus tea to your fluid regimen may help you drink more fluid. How to incorporate hibiscus tea into your diet? Given that most hibiscus tea doesn't contain caffeine, you can sip it anytime from morning to night without worrying about the drink keeping you up late at night or affecting your sleep quality. Have you ever known the benefits of hibiscus tea? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.